Hello viewers and listeners, welcome to another video. 2 days back, news came out that South African Olympic Committee has suspended Cricket South Africa for a period of 1 month, and they have also launched an investigation into its conduct. So what happened was that there have been some news around Cricket South Africa, and there have been some complaints about their conduct, about their governance in the past several months. And these complaints were made by the sponsors that were sponsoring the Cricket South Africa, and also some very big names in Cricket South Africa. By big names, I mean the players who are directly associated with the national cricket team of South Africa. There have been complaints about the negativity and the governance around Cricket South Africa, and I think there was a report on their conduct and how the whole organization was running, and like it was going in the wrong direction. So because all of these reports and all that, South African Olympic Committee decided to interfere, and they have suspended Cricket South Africa and also launched an investigation. So for now, this is for 1 month, and for 1 month, I think the Olympic Committee will look in the will look for the Cricket South Africa, but I don't think there has been a some tweet or some word from ICC, but ICC does not, like, there is a rule that the government of the country should not interfere with the cricket or with the cricketing organization for that country. This is the rule in the ICC. So South African Olympic Committee means the government, like this government committee. So the government is directly interfering in the cricket of the South Africa now. So it is possible that until everything is cleared out, and like until everything is cleared out and the investigation reached to a point, it is possible that the South African cricket could be suspended. They could suspend South African cricket till whatever is going on in their in whatever is going on inside the organization clarifies. This can happen, that they will suspend the whole team because this is the rule, that they don't want the governments to interfere in the cricket. So it can happen, but like the complaints have been very severe about the Cricket South Africa, and the corruption and their behavior about their behavior around other players and all of that, and some very big names of South African cricket have filed complaints against them. So I mean, it was a long time coming. So yeah, that's pretty much it.